What's up YouTube, it's SKB here. I'm back again with another video. Today's video I want to talk about how eating healthy has literally changed my life, on everything, on how I perform, on how I actually communicate with other people, and on also how my mood is depends on what I put into my body. Most of us, we eat unhealthy because we don't have a strong why we should eat healthy food. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the reason why you should start eating healthy. Number one part is that eating healthy can help you become more effective into your work, and whatever thing that you do in your life, you will become more energetic and more productive into your work because your body allows you to do so. The moment you eat junk food, you will only making yourself tired easily, not become productive and effective into your work. So it is very important. If you are a creator, somebody who's creative, you should start considering what you put into your body and really take it really seriously. Take serious of your diet, because your diet will take care of you. Just take care of your diet and your diet will take care of you. Another thing is that whatever that you put inside of your body, it always reveals itself outside of your body. How you eat will also show outside of your body. For example, acne can show into your face if you start eating too much sugar. You can buy the most expensive products. As long as you haven't changed your eating habits, those acne will always be there. Will always come back. They will always come back as long as you haven't changed your eating habits. And that's why it's very important to actually consider your eating habits before you even buy these products. Most of us will look at the problem, which is the acne that we have, the pimples that we have in our face, and never really consider the causes of those acne or those dark spots that we have on our face. It's because of what we consume, nothing else. Whatever that we consume is the biggest cause of why we have the acne that we have. One thing that I've noticed is that the junk food that we eat only destroys our body parts, because we ain't supposed to eat those foods. Their purpose is only to destroy our body and to repair those damaged parts of our body. We have to repair them with food, with healthy food. Healthy food can only repair those body parts that are destroyed by the junk food. We consistently have to eat healthy food so that we can gain those minerals and vitamins, so that we can boost our immune system. So really consider of what you eat and be really selective of what you eat, because that's also going to affect your performance in whatever thing that you do. Your body is very important. We want to stay young. We want to look young and stay young. Whatever thing that we put into our body, whatever thing that we eat, is the biggest cause of how we look, is the biggest cause of how we work, because you become more energetic once you start eating healthy food. You become more effective and you have more clarity in your mind. When God created us, He put us on a garden so that we can eat only the food that is produced out of the garden, not the food that is made by other people. And He wanted us to eat only those food because those food were right for our body. Now when people came, they created their own food that is different on what God said we must eat. So now we have to be really selective. We have to really pick the right food that is meant for us. God created the food that is meant for us, which is the food that is growing out of the soil, which is your fruits and veggies. Fruits and veggies are the food that we're supposed to eat, not other food, And yeah, man, hope this video motivated you. I hope this video changed your mindset. I hope this video helped you to eat healthy food only. And if you really liked it, make sure you do like and subscribe. Without further ado, I'm out.